This is Mike Hughes. I'm going to show you how to use DocuSign to obtain electronic signatures. Basically, we have an extension request from another broker, and so what I'm going to do is upload the document and send it to the client for their signatures. First step is to go to DocuSign.com, and second step, of course, is to log in. So you click on the login screen there, enter your login credentials. And once we're logged in, we just simply upload the document. So click on Upload. It's going to ask you to select the document. It happens to be on my desktop. The great thing about DocuSign is that it, of course, can work with PDFs, but it also works with Word documents and virtually any other kind of document, which makes it nicer than .loop, for example, which has a lot of file type restrictions. So if the contact has already been added to the system, or if they've received any electronic signature requests, they'll already be in here. So I'm just going to pop this in, add that person, add this person. Basically, I pull up their name and email. If it's not in there, I add that. And once I've added that, I can send it in a specific order, which is pretty cool. If I wanted to order it this way, I could do that, which may be something that is appropriate if you're trying to send it to buyers and then to sellers. But in any case, I've set it up so it will be sent to both of them at the same time, and then down here we just create our message. Okay. I just go to Next. It's going to show us the document, and so basically this is the document really is irrelevant for this video, but it's going to show that they've used some electronic signatures. What we're going to do is just pause it and take a quick look at this document. Okay, so now we just simply need to add the signatures for the other party. So the name is selected up here. It's a little bit more bolded than the other one. So I'm just click on Initial. I just simply drag the initial boxes over to where I'd like them to initial. And then over here they need to sign, so I click on the signature. Sign. Now to switch users, click on the other name. You can see that this gets grayed out because it's not the active signature. Drag it over, drag it over. Signature. And if I wanted to, I think it's a good idea to click on Date Signed, and we'll add that date there. So when this user signs, it will automatically add the date. One of the nice things about the system is you can clean it up a little bit if you want by adjusting the size of the signature, which is helpful for lead paint forms and things like that. I think we're alright the way it is right now. Same with the signature. You can resize that. We'll just leave it all as is. If I like to double check, I can click on the other name, just make sure everything's highlighted the way I expect it to be. Click on Send, and off it goes. I'll be notified when the user views the document, and I'll be notified with the completed document after it's been signed.